Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Went out to Thornbury today. Got quite a mixed selection here to show you. First thing, top of the list, a series of unfortunate events by Lemony Snicket. Book the first, The Bad Beginning, #1 in the series. Had to buy that because I was happily showing you guys quite a few weeks, months ago that I'd bought, where are we? That book there, Lemony Snicket, The Unauthorized Autobiography, which goes with the series, and I was showing you that I'd got the series. And as we panned along, suddenly realised I was missing episode 1, or volume 1. Somewhere along the line, one of my grandchildren has borrowed it, and it's never come back, and they can't find it. So now, I've got a full set again. I just hate having something missing from a set. Cost me was it 99 pence or £1? Zoom out again. £99 in the PDSA. So that's completed that set. So I'm happy now. Next, one of the other charity shops, I spotted this in their cheap box, 50p box I think it is. Obviously somebody started it and never finished it, because there's still pieces in the plastic frames, and then you've got all these bits that are loose. So no idea if it's a complete set. But I thought I'd buy it just for the fun of it, to see if we could actually make it from what's obviously been started but never finished. Might do that later. Next, I bought this. That was that 50p? Yeah, 50 pence in the Break charity in Thornbury. It's just a nutcracker. Over Christmas, for a few days, I couldn't find our nutcracker, and I was actually looking in charity shops for one. Did find it eventually, I just wasn't looking in the right place. But I did see one of these, and it was split, so I didn't buy it. And when I saw this one today, I thought I'll buy it just as a novelty. So we've got it available if we ever need it. It'll probably split if you do it up too tight on a nut that's too hard. But we got it anyway now. Okay, next, you may know if you've watched some of my recent episodes, I've got to keep my eye out for Beyblades. So I spotted this in the 50p box. This one's got big spinners on it. How do we get it open? So we got yet another one. Another one that doesn't quite match the ones that we've already got. So we can change that bit. That's going to fit in there somehow. Well, that undoes. I see. That goes in there. That's got to go in there somehow. That's going to go through there. Which direction? That direction. Okay, So we've got another Beyblade. Any dates on that? I guess this one's actually called Trypio. Didn't notice that when I looked at it first of all. The label on the top, or the name on the top. And then finally, you probably spotted it as I was shuffling all the other bits. Oh, that goes with the Beyblade. A flying pig. I'm not sure if I've had a flying pig before. I've had quite a few of this series of ceiling tethers. Okay, no batteries in it. Double A's. Okay, we'll rig that one up to my ceiling tether and see how he goes. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.